guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know me, hi, I'm Tita. I just really wanted to give you guys my real raw, like, it is what it is, morning routine. So as you can see, my room is still a little bit dark because it's so much hot here in Portugal. I just keep my windows kind of shut during the day. So right now I'm just gonna get my coffee, then I'm just gonna get my emails checked and social media things, so I can see if everything is doing fine and everything is okay. Also trying to answer comments. I'm so sorry I'm not able to answer all the comments of the giveaway, and I feel horrible because there are just so many. I just can't do it. After doing all of those checks, I'm going to do my skincare routine, and I just want to say thank you to TEAMI because this video is sponsored by them. They sponsored the video like 1 month ago where I just unboxed their products and tried for the first time, but now I'm just gonna do kind of not a review but somewhat of a review because it has been 1 month of using the products and I just really want to give my feedback on them so you know what you can count with. Yes, so stay tuned and let's get the day started. So I already took my breakfast. It was amazing. I actually think that drinking like milk with coffee, I think you call it latte, but I'm not sure, it's very satisfying in the morning. Just gets me going, you know, sets my mood and everything. It's going great. So right now what I'm gonna be doing is my skincare. I also wanted to thank once again TEAMI for sponsoring this video. I don't know if you remember, but 1 month ago I unboxed these two products and I also tried them out for the first time. I'm actually very happy with the products, and that's why I'm doing this video, because I truly just wanted to give you my feedback on them after 1 month of using. So I also, on this kind of vlog video morning routine thing, I usually get things done for like YouTube or I don't know, I usually just get things done on like work things, but right now I don't have any work to do, like urgent, so that's why I'm filming this video today. But I need to edit and film TikToks because, you know, recently I just started doing TikToks because why not? And I actually love TikTok for like small business things. I'm always there to search for new Amazon finds or like cute packages or whatever. I love watching those videos. And yeah, so that's kind of the vibe that I'm going for on my TikTok, and also like DIY things and everything. So I'm really happy, but I still need to edit and film some because I still need to cut the stickers for the giveaway. Isn't that just exciting that now that I'm filming this, I don't know who won the giveaway, but whoever is watching this knows already? This is mind-blowing, I think. So yeah, there's still a lot of things to do. I also would love to start like taking care of the packages to just have everything more clear and ready to ship whenever I have the winners and make contact with them. So yeah, I just want to kind of, I don't know how to say it, but save some time basically on things and get everything ready. Right now I'm just gonna brush my teeth, and that's like the major point, like the highlights of my day is just brushing my teeth. Okay, so my teeth are brushed. I'm taking off my glasses. Now I can't see anything. What I usually do is that I just pour a little bit of water on my face. As you can see, like, my bangs are huge now and I just can't control them like I used to, so I'm just letting them grow. It's fine. You know, my hair will go back eventually to the normal. So right now I'm just gonna be using the green tea facial scrub, and I love this product so much. As you can see, I've been using it for 1 month and kind of like it lasts. It just lasts, you know. It's actually amazing. You don't need to take a lot of it to work, which I love. Can you see it? Now I'm just gonna wash it off and just gently tap my face with my towel. And done. So this is actually a very great product, and one thing I love about this facial scrub is that it's not too hard on your skin, but you actually feel it like cleaning and freshening up everything, which I love. Also, it's just very easy to incorporate on your morning routine, so there's no excuses. I love this mask so much. So it smells the same as the facial scrub, so you know, great. Also, I love this mask because it is so fresh on your skin as well. It just leaves you with that like smoothness. Oh, the smooth of my skin already. I wouldn't recommend you a brand that I didn't trust fully, so yes. What has not changed in 1 month that I think it is very necessary to mention? I haven't got one brush to apply the mask, so I'm just going to apply with my fingers. So my detox mask is applied, and right now I'm just gonna be waiting like 15 minutes for it to dry and then wash it off. And while I wait, I usually just go on TikTok, and yeah, basically that's it. So, what does TikTok do to me? Basically makes me waste a lot of money. So right now I'm here on TikTok and I just see these two printers that I really want. I want a printer and I want that cricut, I don't know how to call it, but basically you make your own stickers and they just cut them. And I really want to sell my stickers and do like small business thing that I also mentioned on the giveaway video, and so useful. I might just, you know, waste money to buy this. I mean, should I? I think I should. Also, people on TikTok are just so talented with these small business things and DIY. So right now the time has passed. I'm just going to wash off all the facial mask that I did. Oh my god, you have no idea how like fresh, smooth, like clean my face feels. I love this sensation and I just can't stop touching. I don't know if I should be touching my face that much, but yes. I really highly recommend these two products. They're just amazing, so easy to incorporate on your morning routine because they're just fast to do. Except the detox mask, but I think you can be doing other stuff while you're waiting for it to be dried, so nice as well. Oh god, I'm just obsessed. I highly recommend these two. So if you know, right now the code has changed, so you only have 15% off, which is still a great deal. Now if you want to use my code to buy this product, it's here, also will be linked down below. Right now the next step is to brush my hair. I always use these. I usually just click 3 times and you know, looks like kind of this. So you asked me how I do my hair routine and how it is because you like my hair. I truly just used these besides my normal or whatever shampoo that I have, and I identify Pantene, which is the brand, on my stories, and they reply saying no wonder why your hair looks amazing, and I fangirled a little bit, not gonna lie. And yes, my skincare, hair and morning routine is pretty much done. Usually right now, because I'm living here for 2 weeks with my boyfriend only, I usually get laundry done or dishes, but yesterday I did 2 machines of clothes. So laundry, check. And I already kind of cleaned the kitchen, so yes, grown-up adults tasks are done. And so I can have a more relaxed morning routine, which is very great. So right now I think I'm just going to be cutting the stickers and to film the rest of the TikTok that I have to film and edit and post. So you already can see if you haven't on my TikTok page. Basically that's my morning. I try to just do a basic skincare and also like a little morning routine, very basic, very slowly, because I enjoy to just take my time to wake up during the morning. And usually then before lunch I just get a little bit productive and do some things for work as well. Today I cut some stickers to give on the giveaway, so make sure to check who's the winner because it is already out. Right now I'm just gonna make lunch, and yeah, basically that was the video, guys. I really hope you guys liked it. Also, don't forget to leave down below some comment something nice, because I really like the positivity that was said on the giveaway video, because I just truly wanted to have an online space where you could just go there and be motivated and positive, and you know, I really like it how you did that space so comfortable, so like so nicely. So thank you so much for just being a part of this journey. And yes, so that was my morning routine. I really hope you guys liked it, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.